Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076. Our email ID is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical query, doubts or anything, you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also, and you can drop an email to our email ID, which is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. Then you can join our regular batches, one-on-one sessions and our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like PUMDET, ISI, CMI, ATIFR, NBHM like entrance tests. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay. So now we are going to solve a mathematical problem which is appeared in the PUMDET 2024, and the question is telling us that the graph of a function f is given as follows. Yeah. So that is that is monotonically decreasing, like let me write the graph. I think that will be easier to see. Yeah. So when our x is less than equals to -1, then what is happening? Then our this is minus x. Okay. So at 1, that means our when our x is from -1 to 1, then our output will be, that means our fx will be what? That is then 1, and after that our that will be x, and x greater than equals to 1. Only this kind of our function is of this kind. That can be one, that can be another something also. So that can be any c, so then it will be something minus x plus c, or this kind of things, and that will be x plus c or something. So we can see that these points, that means our at x equals to -1 and x equals to 1, our function will be continuous. But we can easily say that, see that at that points, that means our x equals to 1, that means this point. Yeah, so I think this color will be visible. Yeah, at that point or at that point we have two hinges, that means a cusp or something. So at that point our function will not be differentiable if there is any this type of cusp or something. Okay, so our option A will be the correct answer of this question. That means our function is differentiable everywhere except the points 1 and -1. That means there are so the function is differentiable everywhere uh, except my 2 points, there are 1 and -1. Okay, so again I am telling that if you have any mathematical queries, doubts or anything, please feel free to contact. Then we can arrange a clearing session for you. After that you can join our batches, so that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations. Okay, thank you guys, hope you understood. Thank you.